respected sirs, engineers, and friends. Earthing is the heart of electrical safety and electrical system protection. And now, sir, please see here. This is a panel earthing. This is a panel earthing. Only no earthing is done firmly at a given place on the panel by firmly tightening with nut bolt and washer. Please see, sir, how this is as good as no earthing. And when there is no earthing, how we can expect that in case of fault, the faulty section will be isolated, and this will cause all types of hazards like a person touching to the panel may get electrocuted, there may be electrical fires, and so on. And see, sir, see here also, please see the way of the wiring done. No skill, no skill, no skill, no skill, no discipline of a wiring science, wiring technology. Please see, sir, please see, please see, please see, please see, please see, please see. No discipline in laying the wiring, no discipline. Proper clamping, pleating, no consideration at all. And this work seems done by a very unskilled wireman. Please see, sir. Please see. Please see. Please see. Then, how can we be sure that there will not be any fire? This is a wiring of lift control panel in a lift control room. Please see, sir. Hence, my humble request to all is first get the work done by a very skilled person. Even though you are getting the work done from a licensed contractor, but licensed contractor shall provide a very skilled workers, line, wireman, etc., and that shall be supervised by an engineer and not left to the labor's whims. This is a mother of all electrical fires, electrical accidents, maintenance, cost increasing, and reduction in life of the asset, and inconvenience to the high-rise building dwellers. This is very dangerous, and this part is being most neglected nowadays of electrical wiring and installations. I think Your Honor has got my point, what I have to say, and I feel the top brasses will take this in proper perspective and see that this very unskilled and substandard work are eliminated from the system. Thank you. Myself, Ramdas Khandagade, retired Chief Engineer MHB and National Safety Council member. Again, I see that earthing is the heart of electrical system protection and manual safety. Thank you.